Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the China Eastern application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the booking button at the bottom of the page on the left. And at the top of the page, you have to select if you want to search for a one-way trip, a round trip, or a multi-city trip. So if it's a one-way trip, you have to select the airport that you are traveling from. And you also have to set the date. And then you have to set your departure country as well. Next, set the number of passengers. So if you have children, infants, just click on that. And then you have to select if you want your price to be calculated in money or according to your points. So and if you want, you can search for more, you can have more search options, but if you're okay, then just click on the search button. And as you can see, there were no flights available for those settings. Then you just have to find another one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.